Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, I'm going to be doing a little mini Bath and Body Works haul. I really hope that you guys are excited, and if you would like to see what I picked up, then let's just go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so jumping right on into this, I do have two bags here. One is hand soaps and one is body care, because they were doing their hand soaps on sale for $3.25. Now mind you, this is not as good as when they go on sale for hand soap day. That's when they are $2 a piece, so definitely make sure that you are checking out and keeping your eye for when that is, because that is the best deal on their hand soaps. And then their body care was buy 3 get 3 free. I also had a couple free gifts, and I had 20% off, so your girl was doing real good. I think I spent $53, but I saved 91 bucks, so I was super hype about that. So I'm going to start with the hand soaps first, because I only picked up 4, and that is because I have some still underneath my sink, and I was trying to be responsible, but what can I say? So I do only get the foaming hand soaps. Those are my personal favorite. I just think they're fun. I like the way it feels, and so that is why I choose to get those. So all these are going to be foaming hand soaps, but the first one I got is this one right here, and this is the pumpkin apple scent. The notes on this are red delicious apples, fall pumpkin, and clove buds, and this is like one of my favorite fall scents. If you've never tried this, you need to try this, especially in a wall plug-in. Oh, girl, it smells so good. Okay, and the other fall one that I got is this one right here. It's called Happy Haunting, and the notes on this one are mysterious lime, frightening pear, and spooky sea salt. I smelled this at a friend's house, and it's actually really nice. This has like a super lovely, really like clean smell to it. I think that's because of the lime, like the citrus, but it's really light. It doesn't smell overly fall. Like this smells like fall, like you'll know. This I definitely think you can get away with in any time. I mean, obviously it is decorated for Halloween, which is part of the reason that I picked it up, because I was like, oh my god, it'll be so cute in my bathroom all through the month of October and possibly longer, because I mean, it does take a while to go through these hand soaps, which I do appreciate. So then the last two are more like springy summer scents, and I picked up this one. I've never heard of this one before. This one right here is called Island Papaya, and first of all, I love the color and like the packaging. I know that's really funny, but like packaging really gets me on these, like especially like the one with the Halloween one that I just showed you, and this one is just so nice and pretty. The notes on this one are tropical coconut, fresh papaya, and sugar cane. And so the last soap that I picked up was this pink peach blossom. I have never heard of this one before either. Again, the packaging on this is super cute. I love the color, I love the flowers, and the notes of this one are peach nectar, magnolia petals, and mandarin, and this one also smells really lovely. Peaches is another really nice one for me because it always smells really light. Okay guys, so moving on to the body care items. Now this is obviously what I have the most of because of the buy 3 get 3, and then also because I have those free gifts. Now for me personally, I almost always use my free gift items on a body care product because they are the items within the store that are most close to that $16.50 threshold that most of the coupons are good for. So if you have any other tips or tricks for that, let me know, but that's how I always see it, and that's how it always ends up being when I go. But anyways, so I have them broken up into the scent categories so it doesn't get confusing. So the first one I'm going to talk about is the Pretty as a Peach scent. Now, this is not one of my favorites. My friend Alex actually uses this one. She has like a whole Bath and Body Works in her bathroom closet. It is ridiculous. If you think that I look like I'm obsessed, you have seen nothing. But she used this when we went on our cruise, and we took like the body wash and the lotion, and it was really, really nice. I liked how light it was. Normally I wouldn't have picked it up on my own, but this is the 24-hour Moisture Ultra Shea Body Cream. This is what the packaging looks like. The keynotes on this are blushing peach, jasmine petals, white nectarine, apple blossom, and sheer freesia, I think. I'm not quite sure. So the next and last thing I got in this scent is their foaming sugar scrub. Now I have never tried any of their scrubs before, so I am super excited about this, and as we go on you will see that I actually got different types of scrubs to try out. Moving on to the next scent. This is one I'm super excited about. I have never tried this before, and it is the Saltwater Breeze scent. First of all, can you even with that packaging? It looks like you're at the beach. Now, I got 2 of the, again, 24-hour Moisture Ultra Shea Body Creams. This is what the packaging looks like up close. It is so stunning. It literally looks like maybe you're at the beach with like the sand and then the water. Obsessed with it. The keynotes on this one are fresh linen, violet leaves, water blossom, and white musk. Now this is one I had been eyeing online for a while. It smells really nice. I'm surprised it didn't have any like sort of coconut or anything in it because I kind of assumed it would. But you guys, it literally smells as if you were sitting on the beach with a nice cool breeze. You know, it's like sunny and 75. It's absolutely perfect. You may or may not have a beer or a mixed drink if that's your thing. And yeah, you're just chilling, not a care in the world. You ain't got no other plans, got nowhere to be. That is what this smells like. These are essential smells to me in a body cream. I do not know why. I want it to smell relaxing and invigorating. And again, anything that smells kind of summery or coconutty or like I'm on the beach, that's where I want to be. So like I said, I got 2 of these, so I'm super excited to use them. And oh girl, I just cannot wait. In that same scent, I also got a body scrub, and this is the creamy body scrub. Now, I'm not really sure what all the difference is. Obviously, they are all different. I don't know exactly why, but I figured because they had different textures, like I mentioned, I would try them out. And then last but not least, in that same scent, I got the Shea Vitamin E Shower Gel, the little sample. These are one of the free items I have, you know, where you get one for like $7.50 free. And so I picked up one of these. I love these tiny little shower gels for travel. I think they are super great because I don't like taking bar soap with me to travel, so I picked up this one. Okay, so for the last 2 products, I got them in the same scent, and this scent is one of my personal favorites, you guys. I came across it last year in one of the body butters like I've been showing you, and I could not stop using it. I used it up so quick. It was so nice. It had the best smell to it, but the sad thing is online and in store, they do not have the body butter for whatever reason. I do not know why. I was so heartbroken about it because that is dang near the only thing that I wanted, but they didn't have it, so I got 2 different products in the smell because I still had to have it. And this right here is the At the Beach scent. This is in the moisturizing body wash. This is what it looks like right here. This is a huge container of body wash. I've never paid attention to the size of their body washes because I've only ever gotten the teeny ones like I've already showed you. But the keynotes on this one right here are white frangipani blossoms. I'm not 100% sure on that, you guys. Toasted coconut, bergamot waters, sea salt breeze, and sun-kissed musk. You guys, this scent, oh my God. Good. Again, you know, you heard it has coconut in it. That is why I think I love it so much, because literally if this one smells like sitting on the beach, it's sunny and 75. This one smells like sun is starting to go down, you've come off the beach, you've taken a shower, you've moisturized, you've done whatever you're gonna do, you're sitting outside, you're waiting for dinner, whatever it is, and like you're on vacation and you don't have to go home tomorrow. That is what it smells like. It is so lovely. Can you tell, you guys, like I'm wishing I was on vacation right now? I actually leave today, but anyways, so this is so nice. I'm so sad they didn't have the body butter. I don't know why, if maybe they had just sold out or if they're not going to sell it anymore. I hope that is not the case, but regardless, moving on to the very last item in that same scent, I got their sand and sea salt body scrub. So like you guys see, and I have now mentioned that I got it in 3 different textures, so I'm excited to try them all out, see what they all offer. But again, the packaging right here, I love that because it's sand and sea salt. So that is everything that I picked up from Bath & Body Works recently. Let me know what you guys think of some of the products, or let me know some of your favorite items to pick up from Bath & Body Works. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday, and if you hit that notification bell, you will never miss an upload from me. Last but not least, you can also come follow your girl on Instagram at Alyssa and Pope, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!